Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group. First, tap your WhatsApp app to open WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp for Android yet, it's free download from the Google Play Store. And if you can't locate WhatsApp on your phone, try searching for it using Google's in-app feature. Second, on the Chats tab, you'll find this at the bottom of your screen in WhatsApp toolbar. Tap your Android's menu button or the three dots. Doing so will prompt a menu from within the chats page. Then tap the New Group option at the top of the menu. This will prompt you to select members for your group. Now, tap Contacts Names to add them to your group. You can also search for specific contacts from within the search bar at the top of your screen. You cannot add people who aren't currently in your contacts. After that, tap the OK button in the top right corner of your screen when you're ready to continue. Now, add a group name. You'll do this in the field at the top of the screen. Add a picture to your group. You can do this by tapping the empty box next to the group name, then select a photo from your photo library. You can also take a photo from within WhatsApp if you like. Then tap the check mark when you're finished. This is in the top right corner of your screen. You now have a group on WhatsApp. To message, tap the Chats option. This will take you to your Chats menu where you should see your group name. Tap your group name and tap the field at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your messages. Then, type to create a message. You can send your messages by tapping the arrow button next to the chat field when you're done. And then, tap the camera icon to add a photo. You can add a photo from your library, or you can take a live photo from within WhatsApp. Tap the Send option in the top right and continue to use your group chat. You can use WhatsApp group, the feature, to keep all of your favorite contact updated free of charge. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.